I'm at the bottom of my cone. There's nothing left. If it's not on me, my hands are extremely sticky right now. I think the ice cream melted halfway on my hands. That was delicious. It was so good. It's gone. And welcome back to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we are going to be taking a look at the Nice Kicks collaboration that was done with ASICS. And this is the Gel-LYTE III called the Nice Cream in the Spumoni colorway. So let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new here today, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. Feel free to leave me any comments or questions you may have down below. Hit that notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. As well as feel free to hit that join button. We've got some amazing membership perks on there that I don't want you to miss out on, as well as an awesome merch store. If you're looking to add some Shade Gang gear to your clothing collection this summer, be sure to head on over to the website after this video. As mentioned earlier, I am so excited to be talking about the Nice Kicks ASICS collaboration on the Nice Cream ASICS GEL-LYTE III. This was sent over to me by the team over at Nice Kicks. Thank you so much, fam. I'm so happy to have this in hand. I was so stoked when I saw the first images of this. So I just want to show a quick letter actually before we start. And this says, "Hi Marissa, thank you for your support. Here's a little something to help kick off your summer. Stay cool." Thank you so much to the Nice Kicks team. I'm going to try and stay cool in these all summer long. So we are going to start off by going through the overview of this beautiful ice cream colored silhouette. Then we're going to jump into size and fit on this, followed by how I styled this. This was such an incredibly fun shoe to style just because of all the details and different materials used on this Spumoni colorway. Then we're going to conclude with how these shoes are doing on the resale market currently. So let's jump into this overview. This literally takes me back to my childhood. So in Washington, there's a place called the Spaghetti Factory, and it's this massive place that's beautiful in downtown Seattle. And the one thing that they give you for free after every meal is Spumoni ice cream. So this definitely took me back to my younger years because one of my favorite things to do growing up was to go to the Spaghetti Factory because I knew at the end, even if I didn't ask for it, they would always bring me Spumoni ice cream. So definitely feeling the colorway on this shoe since that is the ice cream flavor that this is actually decorated after. So let's start with the frontal portion of the shoe, which is kind of got that vanilla base to it. And this is literally some of the nicest high quality leather that I have felt in a while. This is a job well done. We've got kind of this frayed look to it on the front of the toe box. So we've got kind of a cream and light brownish hue for the suede on the front of the toe box, where we've got those perforated holes. Working our way up, we've got just some nice simple cream laces that they added to it, but we do get a second pair, and I actually am obsessed with these emerald laces. I think this is actually what I'm gonna swap color-wise out with, just because I think that this really pops off of that tongue that's in cream. Then we've kind of got this chocolatey brown textured color scheme poking through here on the tongue, and that's representative of the chocolate flavor. So on the eyelets, again, we've got just hues and accents of the chocolate color scheme to kind of finish off the frontal portion of the shoe. So let's take a quick peek at those details before we move on to the side panels. Moving on to the side panels, we've got this beautiful shiny patent leather in the cream colorway on this tonal caging system in that cream texture. All throughout the side panels, we've got more of this beautiful kind of light brown suede. Working our way to the back, we've got hits of what represents the strawberry flavor in the ice cream. And we've got Nice Kicks logo, which is very subtle on the back of the collar, and ASICS as well in that strawberry color tone. More of this nice kind of cream and chocolatey that intermixes perfectly with the strawberry tone. Working our way to the other side panel, this is actually one of my favorite parts of the shoe, which of course, what is an ice cream without a cherry on top? So we've got this hang tag with the cherries and this emerald base with the ASICS in the white on a nice kind of gold link here. Just gives it a little something, I don't know. It definitely really put the cherry on the top of this shoe, literally. So again, we've got more of the nice patent leather in the cream color scheme with that cream caging system. More of this suede, and then we've got the GEL-LYTE III on the side back there. Working our way to the insole, we've got some nice cherries again on the insole with a nice just strawberry insole color scheme. The shoe is then finished off with this really cool splattering going on here on the midsole over that cream base. And then we've got kind of that Spumoni coloring scheme to finish it off again with the chocolate color, some white here for that vanilla, and then the emerald on the base, which is actually representative of the vintage glassware that you would see in a vintage ice cream shop. So there you have it. Let's finish taking a look at those last details. Then I'm gonna talk about the box and a little extra gift that was inside. inside the box was a nice Kix ice cream scoop. How cool is this? And we've even got some cherries on the bottom of that ice cream scoop. Just the little details, nice Kix. Anytime they do collaborations, I feel like they do such a good job with just the littlest details that really just make or break the shoe. And this definitely is such a nice little gift and surprise that I found inside the box. As far as the box goes, we've got cherries on top, and you'll see on the front portion, it's actually melting down the sides, which is super cute. And then we've got just that nice kind of cream and teal base underneath the box here. You'll see that we've got that emerald popping out. So they definitely stuck with the same color tone for the box, and that just makes for a well-packaged shoe. Altogether, just such a cute and quirky, well put together ice cream shoe for the summertime. All right, so now let's jump into size and fit. So for those of you who don't know, I've already done ASICS GEL-LYTE III. This is actually one of my most comfortable shoes I've worn. You've already heard me talk about how I absolutely love my Sean Witherspoon ASICS GEL-LYTE IIIs. So this was easy for me. I stuck true to size on this in a size 7.5. Again, I do have high arch, narrow feet. So depending on whether or not you have flat feet that are on the wider side, that could decipher a better fit for you. But on this one, I would recommend staying true to size. 7.5 again equates to a size 9, or is equivalent to a size 9 in women's. All right, now let's jump into the styling portion. This was such a cool campaign. I saw the photos that Nice Kicks had posted, and I think they did such a great job styling in that ice cream parlor. So I decided, you know what, maybe I should take this to a cute ice cream spot. So that is the location that you're gonna see set for the styling photos that I did for this Spumoni inspired colorway. So I really wanted to bring those Spumoni colors into this look. For the first look, I decided to just kind of keep it, you know, more patterned, because I think that patterns go great with this. So it was a very patterned pair of boy shorts in this kind of emerald green, cream, and pink color scheme. I really wanted to pull from all of the colors on the shoe, and then I pair it with just a simple cream button down top, and I feel like it just matched these colors to a T. For the second look, I decided to wear a cream tank top, the one I'm wearing now actually, underneath a button-down denim kind of pink strawberry colored shirt, and I paired that with some green shorts. Again, I think all three colors just matched this to a T and gave it a just nice subtle lifestyle look. Last and final look, I wanted to dress it up while I was eating that ice cream. So for this look, I decided to wear an emerald green blazer that I think matched this perfectly. And then underneath, I wore just a tonal tank top with a very cute little fluffy skirt that was polka dots in a brown colorway atop a cream color scheme. So you let me know, out of the 3 looks, what was your favorite? All right, now let's conclude with how these shoes are doing on the resale market. These shoes retailed at $130, and currently for resale, they're going between $180 to $200 depending on your size. All right, that's it for this unboxing and review. Be sure to hit that subscribe if you haven't already and you are new to the channel. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Feel free to leave me any comments or questions you may have down below. Hit that notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on, as well as hit that join button. What are you waiting for? We got some great membership perks on there, as well as amazing merch store. Thanks again to the team over at Nice Kicks for sending these over to me. I am obsessed. I'm going to be wearing these until summer is over and probably into the fall, winter, and maybe just all the way through spring. We'll see. All right, that's it for this episode. My name is Marissa Hill. This is ShadeTV. We will catch you on the next video.